So you know your job today then, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So what are we doing then, Sean?
Professional depot, isn't it?
What are we doing then?
Going to Gothenburg and picking up a Volvo from a bid school.
What kind of Volvo are we talking about today?
L Classic.
An L Classic. What number Volvo are we talking?
A 7.
Like a 740 or something like that?
740, yeah.
740. Is that the odd sort of shaped back one there?
Yeah, I don't know if it's a combi, this one.
Right, so we're going back to Gothie, yeah?
Back down to the smoky city of Gothenburg.
The west side, the best side.
West side.
Right, so now we've arrived in Gothenburg somewhere, just on the outskirts somewhere in this industrial estate, and we are looking for a Volvo. Could it be that one? It weren't that one then, no? A Volvo 700, one of the 700 series. So you reckon it'll be outside, or you reckon it'll be inside somewhere?
När man stänger av den låser sig själv automatiskt efter en minut.
Låser bil?
Bilen låser sig, bom.
Okay.
Och sen har han ju en liten mobilizer där.
So we have a 740, is it a 40 or 45? Let's have a look at the back.
740.
It is 40, isn't it? But it's like, it's clean, it's Nenny.
A little bit style.
Little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, this doesn't look original.
There's a few things on this car that aren't very original.
Brake light at the back windscreen, I don't think that came as standard.
Yeah, I mean, it's in very good condition. It sounds good.
Yeah, wheels are nice, yeah, tyres.
Yeah. It's interesting.
Yeah. Have you got enough petrol to get us back to Borås in this? Or?
I don't know. I have to go to check it out.
Alright.
Get to the garage.
Alright, give me the keys then, mate, and I'll follow you then.
Yep.
Cheers. Alright, finally back at the yard.
Yeah. Nenne.
Yeah.
Have you read Nenne, Gary?
No, oh, I have, yeah.
I did find the ultimate feature.
Yes,
It's essential.
very much so, yes.
Do
Do we have any lights underneath or so on?
It could have that. It looks like it should have them lights.
You have your lights on.
Yeah. It's got Mr. Mitchell in there though. Yes, people. It's another snowy day in Sweden. If we look outside, snow. So Sean was right about picking up that car yesterday. We needed to get it in the door before the snow came. So the snow's here now. So I'm about to go to the depot, and we're going to check out what we're going to do with the Volvo. I'll meet you there. Right, we are back at the depot. Snow outside, major inside.
So yesterday we collected this 744 Volvo.
Yeah.
It's extremely good condition. Can see no rust, no damage, no dents. Really good paintwork. And driving it 60 kilometers, drove really well, really well.
Yeah.
No warning lights, nothing. But as you can see inside, the owner of this car was obviously a fan of EF Core.
Which is Gothenburg's football team. There you go. They call themselves the Angels.
We're going to clear out all this stuff and put it on the side so the family, if they want it, they can come and collect the bits and bobs. Right. But to sell this car, you know, nobody wants all this stuff. So what we're going to do is try to slightly de-pimp it.
De-pimpicize.
Depimpicize.
All right.
Exactly.
What does that involve?
That involves trying to remove as much as we can of the sort of
All the stickers and all that sort of
pimpness,
stuff. All right.
so we can get it looking a little bit more.
Standard.
Yeah. And I mean, the thing is, it's everyone's taste. Someone really like all these bits and bobs.
Yeah. But you leave it up to them to do, though, don't you?
Yeah. But the best thing that he's done is kept this car really, really well. I haven't seen one in such good condition.
It's really nice paint on it. It looks like, actually, I mean, it does look like it's had more paint on it.
Oh, it's been repainted at some stage, yeah. I don't know if it's been completely, but at least I would say 80% of it's been repainted. And I did a few features with this non-standard boot release.
Original.
No, it's pretty handy.
Handy.
I mean, the engine bay is really nice. The car's done just under 200,000.
Is it? Yeah. Wow. But it's a Volvo, isn't it, from that era.
And this car will go on and on and on.
Yeah, they'll go around the world a few times, these engines.
So, I mean, it's really, really clean. And it's got added features, you know, like these wind deflectors. So when you have the windows rolled down and it's on top, it's very, very dusty at the moment.
You can see it was styled, like you said, at a certain time, because all the styling stuff was, this is from way back when, isn't it?
Yeah, all these are aftermarket accessories.
Yeah, back in the day.
Yeah. But we need to sort of just make it a little bit more neutral.
All right. So
we're not throwing the stuff away.
No, we just.
I've spoken to the person in charge of his estate, so we'll keep the stuff on the side.
Right.
And if they want to collect it, they can collect it.
All right.
The first mission is to remove the bear, the boots, and the nodding turtles.
We've debadged it now and everything, yeah? What do you reckon?
Well, we got a few boxes of bits and bobs, and now it's like a little bit more presentable. We've got the headrests, so you can see those.
Lovely.
Seat covers will leave as they are.
Yeah, you've got to see the original Volvo headrest, mate. I mean, that's what makes a Volvo, isn't it? Yeah. All right.
Taking away all the loose bits and bobs, and at least you can actually see in the boot now.
Yeah, let's have a look in there then. Look at that.
Very, very clean.
Just a bit dusty, but everything's in order.
Yeah.
You used to have a little sticker on the back here as well, didn't it? Yeah. Called Nene.
So that one there.
It's gone. Yeah. And we don't support Gothenburg anymore.
No.
All right.
But now it looks a little bit more like standard. But now we have to go and take it to be cleaned.
Yeah, we've got to get all that dust off of it, haven't we?
But outside it's like a storm. So the next time you see us, we'll be in the Arctic jet wash.
There could be some back wheel action going on out there, though, yeah?
Oh, yeah, it's going to slide today, isn't it? It's going to be all over the place.
Right, one thing that I've noticed there, though, yeah? That little fella, he's still there, yeah?
Yeah, well, he's leave the Michelin man. I think he lights up. We think he lights up.
All right, we'll test that out, yeah?
So, yep.
All right, then. Let's get down to wash and then get this car ready.
Yep.
Off we go in the snow. Right, down the road, matey. Right, let me put my seatbelt on because
these cars are renowned for sliding.
Yeah, we see the young kids every winter, don't we? Doing all the drifting and everything else.
All the young kids in this area all have to be able to drive Volvo so they can do some spins.
Nice.
Right, I'm going to sit tight here, yeah? All right.
All right, for some.
And the end result is this. The car looks brand new. All right, then, Sean. So we've dealt with the Volvo. It's looking pretty good now, then, yeah. After giving it a clean and all that.
Yeah, it's kind of depimped.
Yeah, and the paintwork. Yeah, it came up really nice, didn't it?
A really nice car.
All right. So what's happening with this car then?
It's going on the auction on Friday this week, the 20th. We're going to make a really nice car for somebody looking for a good entry level, you know, sort of easy entry level young timer car, which you can use as a daily driver. I mean, that car we drove from Gothenburg without
Yeah, no problem.
one problem.
Yeah, nice car, and a little bit better now without all the gadgets.
Yeah, without all the features.
All right, then. So look out for that one, people. You've been warned. Bill Webb Auction is the place as usual, and we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.